You know, we are all watching the death of the 10 blue links in real time.
Mm-hmm.
It used to be you want a CRM, you'd Google it, right? Open 5 tabs, do the comparison yourself.
Legwork, yeah.
Now you just ask an AI, what's the best CRM for a lean startup?
Right.
And boom, you get one single synthesized answer.
And that is the terrifying part for businesses. If you're not in that one answer,
You basically don't exist. You're invisible.
it's a huge shift. We've gone from search engines that organize the web to, well, the answer engines that claim to understand it.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive into a stack of insights from Samyak Online. They're a digital agency, been around for over 2 decades.
And they're pivoting hard into what they call AI SEO and LLM SEO.
Specifically for SaaS companies. So our mission here is to figure out, how do you get recommended by a machine that doesn't actually know anything?
It's a great question because we have to stop treating these things like magic boxes.
Hmm.
They follow rules. There's a logic to it.
Okay, so let's get specific. Samyak Online draws a line between AI SEO and LM SEO. I feel like most people use those terms interchangeably.
They do, but they're different games. Completely.
How so?
Think of AI SEO as optimizing for that. That snapshot you see at the top of Google now, the Search Generative Experience, or SGE.
Right, the AI-generated summary.
Exactly. It's still fundamentally a retrieval game. The AI looks at live web results, it summarizes them, and this is key, it cites its sources. So if your content is clear and well-structured, you get cited.
Okay, so that's AI SEO. What about LLM SEO then?
LLM SEO is about being the answer from a standalone model, like ChatGPT or Claude.
Where there are no direct links back.
Correct. And that is so much harder. These models use their training data and something called retrieval augmented generation, or RAG.
RAG, right.
Basically, the model actively looks for authoritative data to build its answer. And for a SaaS company, Samyak points out this means you need to optimize for entities, not just keywords.
And this is where semantic SEO comes in, right? It's not just having the word pricing on your page.
Exactly. You need to tell the machine that $50 a month is a price attribute of a product entity. That's what schema markup does. It translates your messy website into, like, a neat knowledge graph the AI can actually digest.
It's structuring your data so the bot doesn't have to guess. Okay, but here's my question. For a SaaS company, why does this matter more than just, buying some ads?
Because the way people buy B2B software has changed. Samyak's research really highlights that buyers they're paralyzed by choice.
Too many options.
So they rely on social proof. But here is the kicker. The LLMs are now doing sentiment analysis on that proof.
So it's not enough to just have a 4.8-star rating on G2 or Capterra anymore.
No, not at all. The AI is reading the text of the reviews. If someone asks, what's the best CRM for simple reporting? And your 5-star reviews all say your reporting is powerful but complex.
The AI might just exclude you.
It will. It's matching semantic context, not just counting stars.
That puts a huge premium on clarity. But I want to switch to the technical side for a second, because the source had a case study that I found really grounding.
The speed optimization one.
Yeah, with a client named Jamie Nakak. He talked about this 5-month slog to fix a Joomla site's speed scores. And it feels a little weird, right? We're talking about futuristic AI, and then suddenly we're back to fix your site speed.
It seems basic, but it's probably more important than ever. It all comes down to crawler budget.
Crawler budget.
We think of AI as this infinite resource, but the cost of crawling the entire web is massive. So if your site is slow, if the code is bloated, the AI crawler, whether it's Google's or OpenAI's, it will just bail. It'll give up before it gets to your really important content.
So you could have the best, most perfect semantic schema in the world. But if the page takes 3 seconds to load, the AI might never even see it.
Precisely. In that case study, getting the site into the green for speed wasn't just about the user. It was about making sure the site was even indexable by these new resource-constrained bots. Technical health is the ticket to the dance.
It's funny that with all this new terminology, generative experience, large language models, the solution is still build a fast, sound website and be really clear about what you do.
The fundamentals haven't changed, but the penalty for ignoring them has just skyrocketed. If you confuse a human, they might click around and figure it out.
But if you confuse an LLM...
it just hallucinates an answer that doesn't include you. You're written out of the story.
Which leads me to a really strange thought. We're spending all this time and energy optimizing our content for machines to read and recommend. Are we? Are we moving away from marketing to humans entirely?
We might be entering an era where your most important customer is literally a piece of code. But you have to remember, that code is only trying to mimic what humans value.
A mirror for a machine world. That's a great place to leave it. Thanks for listening to this deep dive.
See you next time.